Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete TikTok drafts permanently to free up storage space and organize your unpublished videos, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device and log into your account. Step 2. Tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen to access the camera and video creation page. Step 3. Tap on Drafts in the bottom right corner of the screen to view all your saved draft videos. Step 4. Browse through your drafts and find the video you want to delete permanently. Step 5. Tap and hold on the draft you want to remove until a menu appears with options. Step 6. Select Delete to permanently remove the draft from your TikTok account. Step 7. Confirm the deletion by tapping Delete again when prompted to ensure the draft is permanently erased. Step 8. To delete multiple drafts at once, tap Select in the top right corner. Check the drafts you want to remove and tap Delete. Step 9. Note that deleted drafts cannot be recovered, so ensure you no longer need the video before deleting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.